think? You're on camera. Oh my God, it looks so good. We're almost there. So what'd you get accomplished today?
I did the buttons and the buttonholes.
Mm-hmm. And?
They were hard.
No, it isn't. It's the machine. We blame it on the machine. Correct? It was a malfunction. And we definitely are going to add another, because I can see from the video, we're going to need one more. Yeah, it's going to have to be double-breasted. So it actually is coming out. Your coat design is coming out better than the original Calvin Klein. What do you think of that? You just outdid Calvin Klein. You did. You improved on a coat that he had already made. So are you ready for a junior project runway now, Mia? Yes, I think she is. Mommy, what do you think?
Love it.
After doing something like this, I think she's definitely ready to go on that show. I think